Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home security with the latest Ring Video Doorbell. This isn't just any doorbell, it's a game changer for your home or business. Let's check it out. Welcome to our product review of the Ring Video Doorbell, 2nd Gen. We're about to show you why this might be the perfect addition to your smart home setup. Alright, let's start with the biggest upgrade, the head-to-toe video feature. This bad boy gives you 66% more vertical coverage than its predecessor. That means you're seeing more of what's happening at your doorstep, from packages on the ground to tall visitors. It's like having a security guard with a really long neck. Now, let's talk power. This doorbell comes with a built-in battery, so you don't need to worry about complicated wiring. And get this, it charges with a USB-C port. When it's time to juice up, just pop it off the wall and plug it in. Easy peasy. Installation, a breeze. Charge it, click it into place, and boom, you're connected. You can control everything right from your phone. It's so simple, even your tech-challenged uncle could do it. One of the coolest features is the live view and two-way talk. See who's at your door and chat with them. Even if you're not home, it's like having a teleportation device, minus the sci-fi special effects. But wait, there's more. This smart little gadget sends real-time alerts to your phone when it detects motion. And with a Ring Home subscription, you can get even smarter alerts. It'll tell you if there's a person or a package at your door. No more missed deliveries or surprise visitors. Speaking of subscriptions, if you want to go all out, you can record 24/7 on your eligible cameras. Scroll back in time, rewatch what you missed, and feel like a time-traveling detective. And for all you Alexa fans out there, this doorbell plays nice with your Echo devices. Get custom notifications from your Echo Dot, launch video on your Echo Show, and enjoy hands-free home monitoring. It's like living in the future, but right now, so, who's this doorbell perfect for? Well, if you're someone who values security and convenience, this is your jam. It's great for busy professionals who aren't always home, families who want to keep an eye on the kids, or anyone who's ever missed a package delivery. It's also ideal for small business owners who want to monitor their storefront. If you like what you've seen and want to upgrade your home security game, click on the Amazon product link in the video description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.